How to set location on map on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the location. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on top at the search bar, simply tap on it. Now in the starting point, make sure it's all empty. And here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called set on map. So basically set on map is an option used for manual setting up on the map or your location. Simply tap on it. Now this cursor will be moved wherever you drag it, so you can select the specific area that you are in. So here I'm dragging into one, and at last simply tap on set pickup and it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.